Hey peeps, today it's what's the day today?
The 27th.
It's the 27th of, is it Tuesday? Is it Tuesday today? Tuesday, Monday, or Wednesday, I don't know. Yeah, I'm here with my family, my sister, my mom and my dad, and my puppy. Ate, show.
A new one.
What happened? What happened? Pinang!
Hold it. Wait, hold this. Oh, see it.
Pinang! Heyo! So, yeah. My mom and my dad. And my sister threw the ball in the water. I want to check it out. Where is it? I want to see it. Pinang! Down! Where is it? Oh, I see it. Can we fish it out? This is the right. This is the view. Oh yeah, we're nearby the city, Harbour Bridge. I'm not sure if I could see the opera house. My puppy is very bad.
Where's Pinang got the toy?
It's over there. And yeah, we just went down this place. I don't know what's it called, and it's really nice. Even my puppy went down there. She even had a little dip in and a little washing, and yeah, it's actually kind of nice. She even had a lick of the water, and instead of swimming, she just went through and played. When the waves come, she like literally got scared. This is the place. Yeah, okay. I'm not sure if you could really see me, but I'm gonna do, okay, when I come home, I'm gonna do a afternoon routine of what I'm gonna do. And this is my sister. No. And she's walking her. You know what? Later I'm not even videoing you. Camera? Nope. okay, I tricked it. Okay, if you wanna have a seat, okay, I'm gonna show you a better view of the Harbour Bridge. I'm not sure if you saw it earlier, so yeah. Can you see it? It's really nice. I found these really cool, pretty flowers. I even put one on Pinang, and she looks so cute. And it's really nice here. It's a really nice place. Oi, Pinang! Pinang!
Look.
There's a ball in the water. That's supposed to be Pinang's. I caught a starfish but fell down. And now we're just waiting for a bite. I'll show you where my rod is and what we're doing now. It's a really rocky place. And even a nice view too. And there's lots of these pretty flowers everywhere. They're really cool. I had to wait for a perfect place to get down. I'm getting down. Whoa. Okay. Whew. This is my rod next to my sister's. I was over here before. I was over here. Somewhere here? I don't know. But I was here. And I got a starfish somewhere there. Somewhere in the seaweed. and my puppy was barking at nothing, only the birds. There's like only one bird now. Oh, look at my dad. He's like throwing one in now. Ooh, yummy biscuits. I really love these biscuits. Biscuit. Our leaf just fell down. Do I got anything yet?
Nothing yet.
We got starfish, but it fell down. Not even a bite yet. Okay, I'm gonna show you where I got my feet and yeah, when I set up. Pretty wallet brush. Mommy! She's on the phone. Right here, this is Bilang's clothes. It got wet, and this is the place where I had to stay for a while. I'm going to look for my sister. Mom, where's Ate? Ate! Ate! Woo! I'm living. Okay, this is actually really nice. Radiant! Ate! We got a bite! It's like Binang, nang nang. I'm going through the field! Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll do the afternoon routine, I think. It might be night routine. I might do it with my sister. My sister is not really into my
Vlog, what are you doing?
Yeah, this is actually a vlog. Oh, here is somebody saying now. And I did actually realize that we were in the city. I actually never realized I was in the city. So this is my vlog of where I am. And I'm gonna bring my phone and do the video. Ew. Mommy and Daddy. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Bye.